Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This video is about how to style your really bright colored pants in different ways for the office or casual wear. I'm going to share 10 or 11 different looks that are really wearable and functional. So let's get started with the first look. I decided to wear up these royal blue or cobalt blue trousers with my taupe shirt. It is a versatile office shirt in my wardrobe. It has got beautiful collar and roll-up sleeves. It also has two pockets on the chest, and the color is so gorgeous that it can be paired up with almost all the bright trousers in my wardrobe. Now this color helps in toning down this really bright blue color. I'm sticking to the same theme and I'm styling this outfit with my neutral pointed toe pumps. The color of the pumps matches perfectly with the color of the shirt, and also I have this beautiful tote bag. I decided to carry this with this outfit, and this is how gorgeous it looks put together. The simple trick that I have followed here is, in order to tone down this really bright blue color, I'm wearing neutral shirt, neutral pair of shoes and carrying neutral bag. And here we have this really classy office outfit ready for the summers. Sometimes you are lucky enough to get your hands on a beautiful top or blouse like this. Now the first thing is it has got beautiful color combination of brown and blue stripes. This blue color goes really well with the color of the trousers. Also, if you look closely, this top has vertical wide royal blue stripes on both sides, which makes my waist look slimmer. This is the trick you can follow when it comes to buying blouses. And for the choice of shoes, I thought of styling it with the same neutral pointed toe pumps because they blend well with the brown color of the top, and they also look good put together with this really bright blue color. And I'm applying to the same idea when it comes to bag as well. This taupe bag goes really well with the choice of shoes and the brown stripes. And here we have yet another very sophisticated yet very modern office look ready. I would highly recommend to have something in stripes in your wardrobe that you can wear to office, or you can also style it in a casual way. Let's create an outfit which is for everyone out there, including college students. I'm wearing this striped blouse underneath, and this time I decided to wear this collared taupe shirt over it. The first thing I'm going to do is roll up my sleeves, because when you roll up your sleeves, it instantly changes your look to a super cool, really stylish and effortless outfit. For the choice of shoes, I wanted to stick to something which is really comfy, so I decided to wear these platform mules. They are of neutral color and they blend really well with the color of the top and shirt. Now this is the perfect example of how you can reuse pieces from your wardrobe. Now I have already styled this top and shirt for the office wear, but this is how you can mix the pieces together and create super cool, comfy, casual outfits as well. I'm carrying this tote bag with this outfit because it goes really well with the top, shirt and choice of shoes. And here we have this super cool, yet another stylish outfit ready, which is perfect for summers. Just throw on your glasses and you're good to go. If you also own bright colored trousers or pants and you want to wear them to office, this is the simplest trick you can follow. Just pair them up with the color combination of neutrals when it comes to top. Like this shirt, it has got black and white color. It also has beautiful piping on the neckline and same details on the front two pockets. Now talking about the fabric, it has beautiful satin fabric which goes really well with the fabric of the pleated trousers, and both the pieces look together very harmonious, and it looks subtle yet very refined at the same time, and that is what it makes it a office appropriate look. For the choice of shoes, I'm going ahead with these pointed toe black pumps because they go well with the top. And when it comes to bag, I'm sticking to the same theme. I'm carrying this basic black bag here, which goes well with the top and choice of shoes as well. And this is how we can create a classy work outfit, even though if we have brighter or super poppy colored office trousers, you can apply this same formula to your wardrobe as well. If you are a college student, this is how you can pair up your t-shirts with your oversized shirts. And if you are an office goer, this is how you can use your office shirts, formal shirts in a casual way. I have also learned it over the time. Now this time I'm wearing this grey t-shirt underneath, and I'm wearing this satin black and white office shirt over the t-shirt. For the shoes, I'm wearing these grey ballet flats because they blend really well with the color of the t-shirt and shirt as well. Just to add little bit of personality to the outfit, I thought of adding this fun element. I'm wearing these hoop earrings, and they go really well with the color of the t-shirt, and they blend well with this casual look as well. I'm carrying this black sling bag, and that completes this super comfy casual outfit. Now, if you have never thought of wearing your really expensive office shirts in a casual way, I think sometimes you can also reuse them or restyle them in a casual way, especially if you have to go for a very sort of small festive event or occasion. Let's do something out of the box. Rather than pairing my bright trousers with the neutral color top, this time I decided to wear this beautiful camisole. It has got this lavender or dark purple color mixed with white color. Also, it has this beautiful ruffle detail at the neckline. I'm pairing it up with my white shrug. This is white cotton shrug. It's really breathable and perfect for summers. And this is how beautiful all the three pieces look put together. Sometimes when we are in a mood to wear something different, I think this is a perfect work outfit for those days. Because I have a lot of color going on here, I am sticking to neutral colored shoes. I'm wearing these pointed toe pumps. They are of beige or neutral color, and same applies for my bag as well. I'm carrying this beige envelope bag, and here we have this really classy, slightly colorful but different work outfit ready. This is how you can mix together pieces from your wardrobe and create unique outfits even for the office. Let's turn the previous work outfit into a festive one. This time I thought of adding a little bit of jewelry here. I'm wearing this beautiful silver necklace. It has got big white stone in the center. And also for earrings, I opted for these hoop earrings. They have got this white stones all over them, and both the pieces blend really well put together. And also the necklace and the earrings go well with the choice of white shrug and this beautiful camisole. Silver color pops up really well because I'm wearing these royal blue bright trousers. Now for the choice of shoes, I'm wearing these sandals. These are platform sandals with a hint of silver color in them. And same applies for my bag as well. I decided to carry this silver clutch, and this is how easy it is to turn your daytime outfits into an evening outfit, or you can also wear it to an office party or a small get together or even for a birthday. Another super easy way to style your really bright pair of trousers is to pair them up with something which has got neutral base color and then subtle multiple colored print all over. This is one such example. I have this gorgeous beautiful top which has got beige base color and then multiple colors all over. It has got this floral print all over, and it has multiple colors including royal blue color as well, which makes it very easy to pair up with these trousers. Now for the choice of shoes, I'm sticking to neutral color and I'm going ahead with these neutral pumps because they go really well with the color of the top. And I'm carrying my tote bag which I was carrying in the previous looks as well, and this is how quick and easy it is to pair up your pieces from your wardrobe. I would highly recommend to invest in something which has got beautiful floral print but with a neutral base tone like grey, white, black or something similar. Let's quickly turn the previous work outfit into a casual one. The simple trick that I follow is changing my pair of shoes and bag, and this time I'm wearing these platform mules. They are really comfy and they also blend really well with the color of the top and bottom. Same goes for the choice of bag as well. I'm carrying this beige envelope bag and that's pretty much it. Now if you're not into floral prints, I think you should give them a try. Start with a base that has got neutral color and then build your wardrobe on top of it, and I'm sure you won't regret it. I think it is a beautiful print for the summers, be it your casual wear or office wear. A bright colored outfit comes really handy when the days are really hot and humid, and especially if you have to walk around a lot outside of your office. This is one such look. I'm wearing this tomato red top. It has got beautiful bell sleeves and beautiful detailing at the neckline as well. It has got this fabric string. It depends on you. You can tie it around or leave it hanging as it is. Now because it has got a lot of colors, subtle colors like white, green, dark blue, light blue, but really tiny floral print all over. These colors make it very versatile. This top can be paired up with different kind of bottom wears, and it goes really well with these bright blue trousers as well. Now because I'm wearing a lot of color, I decided to wear these basic pointed toe black pumps, and same goes for my bag as well. I'm carrying my basic black office bag. It goes really well with the choice of shoes as well. And here we have this really bright outfit. I think with this kind of outfit is perfect for summers when you have to walk outside of your office and the days are really hot and it's sweaty outside. You should always have some bright clothes in your wardrobe for such kind of weather. Let's turn the previous work outfit into a casual one so that it comes really handy for the college students as well if they have bright colored tops and trousers. This time I'm wearing these white sneakers. If you look closely, they also have hint of grey or black color in them. And for the choice of bag, I'm carrying this black sling bag. Now, if you are planning to invest in white sneakers, personally, I would recommend to go ahead with something which has combination of black and white, or at least if it has a hint of black color in them, it will become really easy for you to pair up your white sneakers with other pieces in your wardrobe, especially with your black handbags. And that was pretty much it for today. I have totally shared 11 looks. Please do let me know which is your favorite. And that is pretty much it for today. I have sore throat, so if my voice is not clear, I apologize in advance. And again, my humble request is to like, share, subscribe and keep watching my videos. And I'll see you next time. Please do hit that subscribe button before you leave my channel, and I'll see you soon. Until then, take care of yourself.